This is the BeTool Master Fuel Pressure Test Kit. Have it hooked up running on a 06 F-150 just to try out the tool. And you can see how I have it hooked up to the fuel system. No leaks, pressures are good on this truck. Comes with a whole bunch of different fittings. I did have to buy a couple specifically for Fords. And then with this one here, to get it off the car, I kind of had to take one of these plastic tool pieces and split it so it would fit on here to release it. Otherwise, you couldn't get a tool in there. Other than that, it's a really nice tool kit for $65. If you just need something basic and not wanting to spend a whole lot of money. So, that's the BeTool Master Fuel Pressure Test Kit. Got it off Amazon.